Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunity from 4 companies, different locations. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, viewers, this channel provides all latest job updates time to time. Viewers, first Tech Mahindra. They are hiring for HR recruiter, work location Chennai, Hyderabad. Freshers, experienced candidate, both can apply for this position. Viewers, eligibility criteria to apply for this role is excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, good knowledge of Excel, should have basic understanding of entire recruitment cycle, any graduation, post graduation in any specialization, candidates can apply for this position. Those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position. Viewers, I will be providing link in the description. Viewers, next, Zycus is hiring trainee software engineering position. Viewers, for freshers, work location Bangalore. In order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria is BE, MCA 2019-2020 passed out candidates can apply for this position. Freshers to 1 year experienced candidates. Work timings are 3:30 to 12:30. This will be an allowances. Work location Bangalore. Selected candidates will be trained on middleware technologies followed by work assignment. Good to have Java experience but not compulsory. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, collaboration, customer focused, and should have analytical skills. Prior integration experience with PeopleSoft is added advantage. Good understanding of any middleware tools like Dalboomi, SAP, Pivo, scripting languages like Oracle, SQL preferred but not compulsory. Viewers, and even Zycus offering nice benefits to the employees. Viewers, like cloud product company, your career will be expanded, get a global exposure, and it will create an impact your ideas into reality. Those who are interested can apply for this position. Viewers, I will provide link in the description. Viewers, next, candidates company is hiring intern software engineering, work location Noida. Strong C, C++ skills with good understanding of object oriented design candidates can apply for this position. Strong background of computer science fundamentals, data structures, algorithms are also eligible. Passion to learn, exposure to new technologies, demonstrate good problem solving skills. So those who are eligible, viewers, can apply for this position. Job is posted 2 days ago only. This is a full time employment. Job is still in the active stage. Those who are interested can apply for this position. Viewers, next, Flexera company is hiring intern engineering position, work location Bangalore. In order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, MCA candidates can apply, preferably in computer science or in information technology but not compulsory. This is only preference. Other streams also can apply for this position. Graduating in 2020. Authoritative knowledge of at least one mainstream development language such as Java, Python, MCV, JavaScript. Familiar with stored procedure in SQL Server. Good knowledge of SDLC. Ability to convey ideas, concepts to other team members within the team environment effectively. So, candidate need to possess good presentation skills in order to present his idea to his team members. Adaptability should be there in the fast changing environment. Ability to adopt new tools and technologies. Strong analytical and problem solving and demonstrated interpersonal skills. Experience in development of his academic projects. Knowledge on AWS web services. Ability to gather, analyze, interpret relevant requirements and information. So this is the complete details regarding the roles and what company is expecting from a candidate. Those who are interested, viewers, can apply for this position, and I am going to provide 4 important links in the description. Viewers, through links you can apply for a particular position in which your your stream is matching. Thank you very much, viewers. And one of our subscriber got placed in Hetero. All the best. Hope your career is good in Hetero company. and congratulations and thank you very much viewers, and please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to receive further job notifications, and all the best for your upcoming interviews.